Pony's Cabinet Claw will make cabinet installation a breeze. The Cabinet Claw is made of durable aluminum and comes with adhesive protective felt pads that you can install over the alignment plate. Also included in the package is the instruction manual. To use this clamp, simply slide it onto the front rails of your cabinets and use the first screw to tighten the jaws, and then tighten the second screw to make the cabinets aligned. We recommend using 2 cabinet claws for each set of cabinets. You'll save time and energy in all of your cabinet installations. Then use the guide hole to drill a 1/8 inch diameter hole 1/4 of an inch into the second rail. Flip the guide hole open and screw the cabinets together. Thank you for visiting the Pony Jorgensen workshop.
General Tools and Instruments Pinless Deep Sensing Moisture Meter with Spherical Sensor and Remote Probe Model MMD950. Check for moisture on or below the surface of carpets and subfloors. Used for wood, drywall, masonry, concrete, and more. Locate water leaks above ceilings, below floors, behind walls. Select dry lumber. Features pin measurement mode with remote probe and pinless mode with spherical sensor. Pin mode provides both percentage wood moisture equivalent and relative readings on the tricolor LED bar graph at the same time. Green indicates dry, red, wet, yellow, intermediate. Pinless mode with spherical sensor provides relative readings only. Test for surface and internal moisture when you can't insert pins into materials or to sense moisture up to 4 inches below surface. We'll use pin mode and absolute measurement. Insert jack. Press set as many times as needed to see WME on screen. The long cable is useful working overhead or in tight spaces. Beeper sounds if WME is over 17%. In either mode, the wetter the material, the faster the beep. At the high end, it's nearly constant. Use advanced setup to customize device settings. This icon indicates beeper is on. Let's use pinless mode to check for a leak above this ceiling. Select Relative. Here's the source of the leak. Now let's compare moisture in different woods before joining them. Wood readings are affected by ambient humidity and wood's density. You'll see what's typical for your wood in your environment. Press a front button briefly to hold a reading, again to release. MMD 950 pinless deep sensing moisture meter with spherical sensor and remote probe. Includes remote cable pins, spherical sensor, spare pins compartment, 2 pairs of spare pins, 9-volt battery, hard case, and instructions. Moisture readings for woodworking, lumber selection, water damage tracing, home renovation, repair, building construction.